Hello traders and welcome back to ChrisFX. Today I will show you how to use the Fibonacci retracement tool in order to find the best order blocks to trade from. Let's roll the intro. And I'm going to build upon the example that I showed you in the previous video. If you haven't checked the video, go ahead and check it. It's the exact previous video where we discussed about the concept of manipulation. In this occasion, I'm going to show you an easier way on how to identify the best institutional order blocks to trade from using the Fibonacci tool only. And I'm going ahead and I'm deleting all of these drawings, let's say, that I have right here, so that the chart is very clear for us to see. And here we are on the daily time frame again. This was the exact same example. So the rule is very simple, so simple that I don't think anybody out there has talked about it exactly the way I am going to talk about it. We can see once again, price action is king. Okay, we are moving in a downtrend and we can clearly see that, of course, after this area over here was broken, we can see it that clearly we are moving into a downtrend. So in this occasion that we start having a clear trend, what we want to do, we want to use the Fibonacci tool in a certain way. So one break of structure happened here, another break of structure happened here, and now we are on a clear downtrend because we broke this whole area that we see right here, this whole consolidation area or otherwise distribution area, let's say. So the first clear break happens right here. This is where we are pretty sure that now we are moving into a downtrend. Where did the move that broke this structure got initiated from? Let's draw it together first of all. And I'm going to go ahead and maximize the width, the thickness of this line right here. And I will show you exactly what I mean, how to count the legs correctly. This is a leg, this is another leg, this one is another leg right here, but we didn't break structure with this one, we broke structure right here. Okay, and this one is yet another retracement. What I want you to do is to grab your Fibonacci tool, apply it on the top of the movement until the beginning of the retracement, and then you can go ahead and copy the settings that I have right here. We want these levels. Of course, you can change the color according to your liking. And we will be trading only order blocks which are above the 78.6% Fibonacci level. Most people will tell you anything above the 61% level or the 50% level. We are gonna keep it extremely safe right here, and we will trade anything only above or exactly at the 78.6% Fibonacci level. So in this occasion, it would have been this week right here. Price never made it to this area. Check it out once again. So we don't have a trade here. And before you might claim that this is taking ages, yes, because we are on the daily time frame, and this one, for example, took how many days? 83 days. If you are on a small time frame and you do the same thing on a lower time frame, then you will have plenty of opportunities. Go ahead and like and subscribe for more free educational content. You don't want to be missing out any of this educational content that I'm providing here on ChrisFX. Let's move forward with the example then and see how many opportunities we would have had. Of course, we have a break of structure right here. Okay, let's keep it totally real, transparent here on ChrisFX. We have another break of structure right here, and I'm gonna go ahead and copy this thing right here to make things easier. So you don't know where price is gonna be retracing from, so you already apply your Fibonacci tool, but you see we do not retrace, not even close enough, because the 78% level would have been right here and above. But then price action is playing out again and again. You readjust with the price and you see again anything above the 78.6% Fibonacci level is this order block right here. Boom, perfect. You can see it. We come and retrace back to this level. Okay, this would have been an amazing trade on a lower time frame. When price makes it back there on the daily, then we scale down to the 1 hour or the 15 minute and we take an amazing trade. Same way, if we are applying this strategy on the 15-minute time frame, when price retraces back into the area, we will scale down to the 3-minute or the 1-minute time frames, let's say. Again, we broke structure right here. We apply the Fibonacci tool, not even close, never retraced, but instead we pulled back and we broke structure again. We would do it once again, we would apply the Fibonacci tool, and again nothing would have happened. Retraced, broke structure again. You do the same thing again and again. Did we retrace to the 78.6%, which would constitute this order block right here? We didn't. Instead, we came back with this movement and then we broke structure again. Hence, we would be applying the Fibonacci retracement tool. Did price retrace here? No. Here? Yes, exactly. So, this is the exact same example that I showed you with the manipulation in the previous video, even though this time it's very simple. This was the order block at the 78.6% level and above. We extend it, boom, perfect. This is another trade, second trade. So now in real time we would apply this one, here nothing. Let's see if we have another retracement. Let's let price action play out. Let's see. We have some small retracement, but we have a pullback and a break of structure again. This is invalidated. Okay, this is the next break of structure that we are having right now. And I can see price action now is moving very deeply. And now I think we have made it exactly to the point in the present that we are right now, exactly in time. So there is nothing more to see right here. We would be applying the Fibonacci tool from here to here. Anything above the 78.6% Fibonacci level, so from this level and above, probably I would include all of this thing. Only this is the place where I would be taking my trades. And you see, when this plays out, it plays enormously. You can see, you can capitalize in a smaller time frame. Let's say if you enter, you can capitalize and get extreme risks to reward. Extreme, really. You can get even more than that if you scale down to the 5-minute time frame or whatever. Again, this is a strategy that can be applied on all time frames. In this example, we just showed the daily time frame with breaks of structure and the application of the Fibonacci retracement tool in order to identify the best institutional order blocks to trade from. If you want, you can still apply this strategy on a lower time frame, so you can start with a 15-minute time frame, do the exact same process, but when price retraces, then you scale down to the 1-minute time frame or the 3-minute time frame in order to find the best entry. So this was the best Fibonacci retracement tool strategy that you can use in order to identify the best and the most probable institutional order blocks that you can trade from. This is gonna do it for today. Thank you all for watching. Until next time.